Hi, Dr. Todd Sullivan from Nova Chiropractic and Acupuncture. One common condition we treat in our office is sciatica and herniating or bulging discs in the lower back and neck. So with sciatica, a lot of times what will happen is the nerves will get pinched and irritated right in the low back. Then the patient may have pain in their glute, hamstring, or down the leg and into the foot. So to treat sciatica, one of the most effective treatments we have in the office is a treatment called laser therapy. And laser therapy, what it does is it penetrates deep into where the nerves are exiting out through the spine, and it helps to calm down that irritated nerve and help accelerate the healing process. And it doesn't hurt, it feels really great, and what we're doing is we apply it right in this area in the low back. And what we do is we treat that whole nerve where it starts in your low back, then we'll treat it in the glute, the hamstrings, and the legs. By treating the nerve all the way down the leg, it helps to calm that nerve down and to help accelerate that healing process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate a sciatica treatment for the low back, and I'll show you how that looks with the laser therapy. Laser therapy is the most conservative treatment we can do for sciatica or herniated or bulging discs. So more invasive treatment options would be you could get a spinal injection into that area. You could also receive different shots throughout the spine to help calm that irritated area down. But they all have a lot of risks and side effects, where laser therapy is very safe. The only safety precaution we have to take is we wear protective glasses over our eyes just to protect our eyes from the laser. But it's a very effective treatment, and all the patient feels is a mild warm sensation. Renee, how would you describe what the laser therapy feels like in your lower back?
It just feels like some warmth back there. It's kind of soothing.
Yeah, and what this is going to do, again, the laser held about an inch above the skin, penetrates deep around the nerves in the low back, so about 3 inches into the affected area, and it's just a powerful anti-inflammatory and helps to calm that irritated nerve down. And a lot of times it gives patients instant relief for their chronic or painful sciatica condition there. And again, a lot of times once we're done in the low back, we're going to move on to the glute and then the hamstring and then down the leg like that. The treatment typically takes about 6 to 8 minutes, and then we usually will treat a patient 2 to 3 times a week in the acute state, and that will last anywhere from 4 to 8 treatments, and then the patient will usually be doing much better at that point, and then we'll start spreading out the treatments as they're improving. But this is often one of the best ways to alleviate sciatica, and we see about an 80% success rate treating sciatica with the laser therapy. So if you're dealing with sciatica or herniated disc, give our office a call at 703-912-7822 or schedule online at novachirowellness.com.